Welcome to introduction video for the online e-learning course, 5S, Workplace Organization. You might have heard about the word 5S from many people. Like what is 5S, we need to implement 5S or we need to audit 5S etc. So you might be thinking what exactly 5S is. Let us talk today about 5S. 5S is most effective and most easy tool. This tool is invented in Japan, so in Japanese language there are 5 words which starts from S. These words are 1S means seiri, 2S means seton, 3S means saizo, 4S means saikitsu and 5S means shitsuke. The meaning of these 5 Japanese words in English is seiri means sorting, saizo means set in order, seton means shine, saikitsu means standardize and shitsuke means sustain. You might be thinking where to use this 5S technique? Let me tell you that you can use this technique everywhere, like home, shop floor, office, hospital, shop, hotel, etc. You might have seen 5S implemented in some hospital or airport or even some malls. That means the people working there must be aware of 5S technique and they must be using this technique on regular basis. So you can understand how an area which is organized by 5S technique looks like, and without 5S how any area looks like. This technique is very basic technique in Lean, and if maintained it is very effective also. For any Lean tool the first step is to implement 5S. Without 5S Lean tool will not give the results we expected. So nowadays each and every industries is practicing 5S in their company. One question may come in your mind that why we should do 5S. Let me tell you that 5S is the base of any business which can help to supply a good quality product, or which can help to improve productivity or customer satisfaction. It also help to improve organization working culture, it increase the safety of the people working there, and it also help to improve delivery performance or profitability of the organization. Sometime it helps to reduce the cost of manufacturing and to increase the employee morale. Now let us understand one by one these S. So the first S is seiri or sorting. Sorting means to segregate items in 2 types. One is needed and second is unneeded. In other words, the items which are required to perform a job and the item which do not required to perform a job. This kind of segregation is called sorting. Now to S, which means seton or set in order. There is one tagline for this step. The place for everything and everything is in its place. There should be a defined place for everything we use. And each thing should be in its defined place. Like files can be put in the file rack with identification or color coding, or number. The sequence can be defined for the files. Similar way of you have tools which are used frequently, then you can create a shadow board with identification and defined place for each tool. This will help to reduce the searching time of the items. Third S means saizo means shine. Now you must understand the value of cleaning. Since from childhood we are asked to clean our hands, body, clothes etc. because cleaning is important to remain healthy. Similar way our machine workplace should be cleaned to remain healthy. All the equipment must be free from dust so that they can function well. If we are working in office, then our working table, cupboards etc. should be cleaned. The most advantage of cleaning regularly is we can identify the source of dust or any oil spillage. Or even we can identify the deterioration of the items timely. Next S is 4S, that is to means standardize. In this standardization we will define some rules and regulation to maintain the 1S, 2S and 3S. For that we need to define some checklist, some procedures or some best practices. Then we need to define some monitoring performance and review mechanism so that whatever we have achieved will continue to achieve. For example, if we are defining the cleaning schedule, then define on which day, We will clean what and how much time we should clean it along with the type of cleaning. For shop floor cleaning we should also define the procedure for machine cleaning, tool cleaning, table cleaning etc. This cleaning should include the inspection of machine and tools for any abnormalities like overheating, vibration, oil leakage etc. To create standard we can use some signs which can indicate unwritten rules. Like height of storage, visual checkpoints, oiling and greasing, or rejection area etc. Next and last S is Shitsuk means sustain. To maintain the world-class 5S level we should follow some good practices. Like we should do activities as per the planned. We should train our team regularly about 5S. We should do regular audit to know the status of 5S. Continuously monitoring the activities. New joiners should be trained in 5S before putting them on job. Make a presentation of improvement in the workplace. Thus we will achieve our goals of 5S and benefits as discussed earlier. For registration and enrollment of course, please visit the site www.learidge.com, create an account, subscribe to the course and start learning. Thank you.